It's important to know before booking that New York has two Ritz-Carlton hotels, the Central Park property and the NoMad. The NoMad can be booked via the link below and is better suited if you're after modern nightlife, rooftop cocktails, and panoramic downtown views in a brand new glass tower. But if your trip is more about classic New York luxury and convenience, then the Central Park Ritz-Carlton is your best option, and it's the hotel I'll be focusing on in this review. You can secure your stay at the best price using the link below at any time. But be sure to stick around for the room tour, because I'll be showing you the most affordable option for a practical stay, but also a room that costs $32,000 per night. Staying at the Ritz-Carlton Central Park provides one of the most practical spots in Midtown Manhattan. Subway access couldn't be easier. Both the 5th Avenue 59th Street and 57th Street stations are just a couple of minutes away, connecting you quickly to the rest of the city. Limo and town car service can be arranged through the hotel, which is a rare perk in New York. For travelers flying in, LaGuardia is about a 12-minute drive, while JFK and Newark can usually be reached in under an hour. Business guests will also appreciate that Grand Central Terminal is just a short ride away, making it simple to connect across the region. Also, you're in a high-end shopping district, steps from flagship boutiques and fine dining, but you also have immediate access to quieter escapes like the hotel's private garden and, of course, Central Park itself. That balance between city energy and calm retreat is one of the strongest reasons this location works so well. The most affordable way into this property is the room with one king bed, which comes in at around $971 per person per night when shared by two guests. At just over 400 square feet, it's styled with marble bathrooms, a separate tub and shower, and premium bedding. It's a refined space for travelers who want the Ritz-Carlton address without paying extra for a park view. For families, the deluxe room with two double beds is the best fit. At about $501 per person per night when shared by four guests, it provides proper beds for everyone and avoids the need for rollaways or sofa beds. At the very top, the Royal Suite with two bedrooms and club lounge access is the crown jewel, costing a staggering $32,000 per night. It includes two king bedrooms, large living areas, and sweeping views directly across Central Park. The club lounge access adds an extra layer of exclusivity, with complimentary dining presentations and private service throughout the day. The Ritz-Carlton Central Park is designed to feel like more than a hotel, and the amenities prove it. The highlight is the La Prairie Spa, offering 6 treatment rooms with everything from deep tissue and hot stone massages to facials, body treatments, and Ayurvedic therapies. Couples can book joint sessions. The fitness center runs 24 hours a day and is equipped for both serious workouts and lighter wellness routines. Guests can join yoga and Pilates classes on-site, which makes it easy to keep balance during a city trip. Families benefit from thoughtful touches such as babysitting services and cribs on request, while business travelers can make use of a full-service business center and meeting facilities at any time of day. For those bringing pets, the property is welcoming to cats and dogs up to 60 pounds, ensuring no one is left behind on your trip. When it comes to entertainment, you won't need to look far. Being directly across from Central Park means you can start with simple pleasures. A morning jog through tree-lined paths, a horse-drawn carriage ride, or even summer concerts and performances on the Great Lawn. Step a little further, and you're in the heart of the Broadway district. World-famous shows are less than a 10-minute walk away, making an evening at the theater as easy as stepping out after dinner. For live music, spots like Carnegie Hall and jazz clubs around Midtown are close enough to fit into even a short trip. If nightlife is on your agenda, Times Square is a quick walk for bright lights and late-night energy, while rooftop bars and cocktail lounges around Midtown offer a more polished alternative. Between the park, the theaters, and the nightlife, staying here puts the best of New York's entertainment scene right within reach. Dining at the Ritz-Carlton Central Park revolves around the Contour Lounge, the hotel's all-day restaurant and bar. When booking via the link below, you can secure your stay either with no extras included or with breakfast for two built into the rate. In the morning, you'll get a full breakfast that ranges from classic eggs and pastries to more refined options. And in the evenings, it transitions into a sleek lounge with cocktails and upscale bistro plates. Guests can also arrange private dining or even a curated picnic prepared by the hotel, which pairs perfectly with the park just across the street. Beyond the property, some of the best dining in Manhattan is right around the corner, with steakhouses like Quality Meats and Italian favorites within a 2-minute walk. And if you'd rather keep things casual, there are plenty of cafes and grab-and-go options nearby, so you never feel tied to hotel dining alone. This is very much a 5-star property, and with that comes pricing that reflects the brand. Beyond room rates, extras like valet parking, breakfast add-ons, and spa treatments can make a stay significantly more expensive if you're not planning ahead. Families should also know that while the hotel is welcoming, entertainment and activities for kids are limited. The emphasis here is on luxury rather than family programming. Another point worth noting is that the atmosphere is deliberately quiet and understated. If you're after a social scene with lots of on-site dining venues, live music, or big pools, this isn't that type of hotel. Instead, it's tailored for travelers who want privacy, service, and immediate access to the city outside. If any of those are deal breakers, check out my video linked below for alternative places to stay in New York. This hotel is positioned at the very top end of New York's luxury market, so the real question is whether the experience matches the price. And in many ways, it does. Guest reviews consistently highlight the precision of the staff, the immaculate upkeep of the rooms, and the sense that everything runs seamlessly behind the scenes. That level of polish is what justifies rates that start near $1,000 per person per night. The club lounge is another area where value shows through. For guests who opt into it, the rotating food and drink presentations throughout the day reduce the need to dine out for every meal, while the quiet space itself feels like a private extension of your room. Add to this the convenience of being able to step directly into Central Park without needing transit or taxis, and the package becomes less about cost per night and more about how much time and hassle it saves during your trip. This is a property where the return on your spend isn't measured in extras or amenities, but in refinement, reliability, and effortless convenience. The Ritz-Carlton Central Park is best suited for travelers who want a classic New York experience without compromise. If you picture yourself waking up to direct park views, stepping outside to world-class shopping, or heading to Broadway on foot, this is the property that delivers that lifestyle. It works especially well for couples planning milestone celebrations, business travelers who value discretion, and international visitors who want to be based in the very heart of Manhattan. Families who book here tend to be those looking for space and service rather than organized children's activities, while solo travelers often choose it for the security and quiet it offers in such a busy city. If your priority is an iconic address, flawless service, and timeless luxury, then the Central Park Ritz-Carlton is the clear choice. Book your stay at the best price using the link below.